Hello friends. Only international students registered to the formal education program can work in Turkey with the condition that they obtain a work permit. According to the bill presented to the Grand National Assembly of Turkey, foreigners who will work in free zones apply for the free zone work permit from the Ministry of Economy, after which they will be evaluated. Those who are eligible to receive work permits after the evaluation will be informed to the Ministry of Labour and Social Security. Please watch our other videos for more detailed information on Turkey scholarship programs. We wish you all a good day.